Hello, I am calling you from the science desk. Welcome to the Alan Show. How weed affects your sex life. With the recent legalization of weed in several states, and the creation of several sex-specific THC products like Foria Personal Lubricant, more people are becoming curious about the relationship between marijuana and sex. Here's what we know so far about how weed can affect various aspects of your sex life. Inhibitions. Many weed enthusiasts report that weed makes them more relaxed and lowers their anxiety and sexual inhibitions. They report being interested in trying particular activities that they might have been too shy to try sober. Anxiety's ability to decimate every aspect of a person's sex life should not be underestimated. A little anxiety relief may be just what you need to have a better sex life. But just like wine, too much weed can have the opposite effect. Paranoia, one of the most stereotypical reactions to weed, doesn't exactly make sex very fun. And other people find that instead of making them feel relaxed and uninhibited, weed actually makes them feel anxious and stuck in their own thoughts. The effect that weed will have on your sexual inhibitions probably boil down to the effect that weed has on you in general. If you tend to be relaxed and happy on weed, you'll probably be more open to sex while high. If weed makes you anxious and paranoid, it's probably not a great idea to smoke for the explicit purposes of lowering your sexual inhibitions.